Right, today I'm going to take a look at this porta cable brushless 20 volt impact driver, and this is the very first brushless impact driver from porta cable. And this is the whole kit that includes the impact driver, 2 batteries and the charger. So let's get to it. Alright, let's see what we got. Okay, seems to be everything here. Use a manual. Impact driver. Very nice. Very compact. What else we got here? Charger. It's very cheap, slow charger. Belt clip, some bit, and 2 batteries. Let's see what we got. What kind of battery this is? This is 1.5 amp hour, 1.5 amp hour battery, 20 volts. Okay, we got 2 batteries. Okay, very nice. Let's try it. Okay. Alright. This battery doesn't have a battery gauge on it, but the tool does, which is a little bit strange. But let's see what we got here. Battery in. Let's see how much juice we have. Oh, battery is almost empty. I guess that's how they ship the battery, to be safe, I guess, and to prolong the life of the battery. You don't want to have a fully charged battery lying on the shelf and you don't know when you're gonna sell it. Probably a year, 2 years, 3 years. So having it just partially charged is good for the battery life. Alright. Okay, there's no speed setting, so it's a single speed impact driver. And alright, so we got a bit holder on the side here. Let's try it. Okay, alright, and we got the whole screw holes, so you can install a belt clip on either side. Let's see what else we got. There's a battery gauge on the tool, not on the battery, and it's all rubber handle, which is pretty soft and very nice. It's got some protective rubber thingy here on both sides, which is nice. And let's see, let's put this in, see how it works. So the way you put it in, just like that, single-handed, and it's in. And when you want to take it out, that's it, one hand. So that is very nice. That's a good improvement compared to the previous generation. Like this one here, this is the older generation porta cable, and if I want to take it out, I have to use 2 hands. When I put it in, have to use 2 hands. But this one is just one-handed. How nice is that? Alright, next let me compare the previous generation with this newer brushless. This is the 18 volts portable impact driver, and let's see how it's compared to the older generation. It's quite shorter and more compact. You can see here. I would say about almost 2 inches, maybe 1.5, almost 2 inches shorter than the older generation. So that's pretty good, and seems to be lighter too. Well, let's see. Got my scale here. Let's see how much it weighs compared to the older impact. So let's see the older impact. 2 pounds 10 ounce. Brushless, 2 pounds 2 ounce. So it's about half a pound lighter. About half a pound lighter. That's pretty good. Actually, this has a belt clip, so let me throw in a belt clip. To be fair, so 2.9, so let's say 2 pounds 3 ounce. 2 pounds, a little bit over 10. So let's say about half a pound lighter. That's pretty good. Half a pound lighter. That's like 25%, almost less weight. So that's pretty good. 20 to 25% less weight. So that is very good. Alright, time to drive some screws. I got a piece of 4x4 here, and some 3/8 screws. And let's see how it is compared to the older gen impact. So this one is the 18 volt impact driver, and I also got a timer here. I want to see how fast it goes using my phone here. So alright, let's put this over here. About exactly 6 seconds. Okay. See how this does. Reset. Ready. Stop. Stop. 3.9 seconds. Wow. That is a lot faster. So this one drives this 3-inch screw in 3.9 seconds. 3.9 seconds. This one, the older 18 volt, drive the screw in 6 seconds. So it is quite a lot faster. Of course, the speed alone is not enough to compare. So let's try the torque. Let's compare the torque between the two. All right. Next, I got a bigger bolt, and I want to try to see what it's like. In order to drive this bolt, need to have a hex to 3/8 adapter, and then I use my socket to drive it. First, the older impact. Got my timer. See how fast it goes. Okay. 4.8 seconds. Alright, let's try the newer impact. Alright, got my newer impact ready. So, start. Stop. 4.8 seconds. Wow, that's a lot faster. But as you notice, it's got a lot of shaking. Why? It's got a lot of shaking. It's a lot faster. It's almost twice faster. Wow, that is fast. It's got a lot of shaking with this bigger bolt. Let me try again and see what it's like. Let's try one more time. Shaking quite a bit. You know, it spins so fast, I can't control the speed. Yeah, it does quite shake a little bit with the bigger bolts. It's a little bit of shaking, but not too bad. Alright, next, I can't help but want to find out if I can remove a lug nuts from my car. So I got the older impact here. I want to try this one first. See if I can remove that. So let's go. By the way, I've tightened with this by hand all the way to the max, just for this test. Can't remove the last one. So let me see if I can remove the last one with this new brushless impact driver. Alright, ready? There we go. Alright, so previously it was my back wheel on my car. This is my front wheel. Let's see what it does. So let's try with the old 18-volt impact first. See what it does. Just fine. Alright, so let's try. I'll try my new one. See how easy or hard it is. So this is the new brushless 20 volt. I put it in forward. Now reverse. Alright, let's try this one. A little bit of persuasion. This one is easy. This one is easy. So there you go. It is very easy to remove the lug nut from with this. So that's quite good. So as you can see, this one is capable of removing my lug nuts also, but if there are some nuts too tight, or if you have a bigger car or truck, this might not do it. But with this, it's able to remove the nuts where the older one could not. So this is very good. Right, I'm looking at the box of the impact driver, and down here is a specification. It's rated at maximum torque 1400 inch-pound. The older one, this 18-volt impact driver, is rated at 1600 inch-pound. So actually the older impact driver is rated with more torque than the new brushless 20-inch impact driver, which is a bit strange. But as you can see in the video, in real life application, this is a lot better. I mean, it drives screw faster, and it does have more torque. I mean, it can remove lock nuts where this cannot. Well, that's just on paper. I mean, in real life application, it's never going to be the same. Usually the other way around. So there you have it, the newer porter cable 20-volt brushless impact driver. It's very good in my opinion, and it's on sale for $139, which has 2 batteries. 2 of these batteries, and I wish it has a fast charger. I don't really like this kind of charger. It takes forever to charge a battery, even with a low capacity like this one. If I have a bigger 4 amp hour battery like this thick, it's gonna take forever to charge the battery. Alright folks, and that's it for now. Do you like the new brushless porter cable brushless impact driver? Just write in a comment below. And that's all I have for now, and until next time, thanks for watching.